In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Deputy Minister of Culture and Arts in the Ministry of Information and Culture discusses expanding joint cooperation with UNICEF in the fields of cultural and artistic development for children and adolescents. Dr. Ismatullah Mujadidi, the former National Security Council advisor under previous administration, returns to the country. And this toll and injury continues to rise following a powerful earthquake in Venezuela. Welcome to our news package. It's Thursday, the 9th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 1st of Sultan 1405, and the 25th of June 2026. To the news details. Maulawiyat Azizi, the Deputy Minister of Culture and Arts in the Ministry of Information and Culture, met with UNICEF officials to discuss the expansion of joint cooperation aimed at promoting the intellectual, cultural, and artistic development of children and adolescents. During the meeting, Maulawiyat Azizi stated that the ministry stands ready to strengthen collaboration in promoting a culture of reading, equipping public libraries, producing literary and cultural works for children, enhancing the capacity of young writers, and implementing the joint cultural programs. For their part, UNICEF representatives reaffirmed their commitment to expanding scientific, cultural, and artistic cooperation with the ministry in the future. The Commission for Contact with Afghan Personalities has announced that through its efforts, Dr. Ismatullah Mujadidi, a former National Security Council advisor under the previous administration, has returned to the country from Turkey. Based on the Commission, Dr. Mujadidi expressed his satisfaction upon arriving in the country and appreciated the warm reception extended to him. The news continuation. The Minister of Public Health has announced the signing of a contract with $909,999 with an implementing organization aimed at strengthening expanding healthcare services for residents of Helmand province. According to the ministry, the project will provide services through 6 hub health centers and 2 basic health centers, directly benefiting 69,202 individuals and indirectly serving approximately 250,000 people. The initiative also expected to create employment opportunity for 112 healthcare workers. And ultimately, Delcy Rodriguez, the acting president of Venezuela, told reporters that preliminary figures indicate at least 32 people have been killed and 7 others injured following the recent earthquake that struck the country. Rodriguez stated that numerous buildings have collapsed as a result of the earthquake, while emergency response and rescue operations remains underway. She noted that the current figures do not yet include casualties from the hardest hit areas. Describing disaster as a major tragedy, she expressed her condolences to the families of the victims and reaffirmed the government's commitment to the ongoing relief efforts. That concludes today's short news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Broadcasting Channel. Wishing our loyal viewers a blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.